When you find water under your hot water tank, it doesn't always mean the tank needs to be replaced. It could be a simple solution. The temperature and pressure relief valve could be the source. If you can feel water dripping from the relief valve drain pipe, the spring may be corroded. If it is doing this too often, that can be fixed by installing an expansion tank on the cold water supply line. The drain valve is used for draining and flushing during regular maintenance. Check around the drain valve to see if water is seeping through the threads. If that's the case, replace the drain valve. Check the cold supply inlet and the hot water outlet pipes. The most telling sign for tank replacement will be if you find the insulation is wet. You can check that by removing the tin door at the bottom of the tank and feeling the insulation there. If it is wet, it's possible the inner tank has rusted out and you'll need to replace it. We've been fixing and replacing hot water tanks for decades. Call today and book an appointment with one of our technicians.